Hey y'all, at Five Below in their small little polish section, I just wanted to show you guys all the different sets that they had in. I did pick out one. This was actually on my birthday, which was May 20th. Happy birthday to me, y'all. My husband took me so I can pick out a couple of sets, but I only picked out one. Most of the sets didn't have colors in it that I would use, maybe like one or two. So I just picked out one that looked like I might use all of them. So you guys keep an eye out for that video. Make sure you have on your post notifications. So when I upload that video, you guys can check it out and see which one I picked. How cute is that mirror, right? I should have gotten it, but I have the one behind it, so that's probably why I didn't get it. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, the like button, and I'll see y'all in the next one.